Hello, everyone. If you're preparing for a clinical research job interview, I know one thing. It can feel scary and confusing, and it's true. Interview pressure is real. Most people lose the confidence because they don't know what kind of questions will come, how to answer them, or show their skills clearly. In today's video, I'm going to help you to solve this problem. I'll be sharing the real clinical research questions that the companies like CROs, hospitals, pharma companies actually ask. So, are you ready to walk into your interview with confidence? Let's begin. Okay, starting with the freshers. Number 1. Tell me about yourself. Share your education, skills, and the motivation for joining the clinical research. Example, I have completed my BSc in Life Science. I am trained in clinical trial basis, ethics, GCP, informed consent, and documentation. I want to contribute to a safe and ethical clinical trials. Number 2. Why should we hire you as a fresher? Say, I'm well trained, disciplined, and eager to learn. I understand the clinical trial basis and can take the responsibility from day one. If you want to know more other questions like this, then download the question bank from the description box. Okay, moving on to the experienced candidates. The questions could actually be like, first one, tell me about the studies you have worked on. You can include the points like study phase, key responsibilities, the tools you have used, and the achievements. Number 2, how do you manage the protocol deviations? Say that I identify the deviation, document it accurately, report it within the timelines, and work with the site to prevent the reoccurrence. Number 3, how do you handle the difficult sites or investigators? Say, I stay professional, communicate openly, offer support, and escalate only if needed. Number 4, what tools and systems have you used? Here, remember to only mention what you truly know. In interviews, only talk about what you genuinely understand. Stick to the topic you know in depth because the interviewers want to see your real knowledge and not memorized answers. For more in-depth clinical research interview questions for experienced people, you can check out our blog at llri.in. Okay, moving on to the next part. For job changers. Now, if you're someone looking to change your job or enter the corporate world, then these questions can definitely help you during your interview. Questions like, number 1, why do you want to change your job? You can say something like, I want to work on large global studies, learn advanced systems, and grow faster in my career. Number 2, what values will you bring to our company? Say good documentation, discipline, understanding of timelines, clear communication, experience with the real study operations. Number 3, why are you leaving your current company? Safe answer would be to say focus on growth, learning, exposure, never blame your employer. Next, what did you learn from your previous job that will help you here? Say the things like documentation, timelines, communication, protocol, understanding, stakeholders, coordination. Next, how do you handle the conflicts at work? Say, I listen first, stay calm, discuss professionally, and resolve it through clear communication. Are you open to additional responsibilities or cross-functional work? How soon can you join? Give a realistic timeline based on notice period. If immediate joiners, highlight it confidently. Now, the most important, final round. Okay, you have made it to the final round. Congratulations. In this round, the interviewer checks your attitude, communication, and whether you are the right fit for the team. The questions could be something like these. How do you ensure the quality in your work? You can say something like, I double check my entries, follow the SOPs, maintain proper documentation, and clarify the doubts early to avoid any error. Next, what is your expected salary? Share a realistic number based on market standards and your experience. Next, why should we select you out of all the other candidates? Here, show a mix of confidence and humility. You can say something like, I am disciplined, detail-oriented, and committed to the quality work. I learn fast, adapt quickly, and am fully motivated to perform my best in this role. Next, do you have any questions for us? Ask smart questions like, what growth opportunities does your company offer? What training will I receive in the first 30 days? So yes, these were the most important clinical research interview questions for the freshers, experienced candidates, and for the job changers. If you want more interview questions or career guidance, make sure to subscribe us. All the best for your interview and stay tuned for more informative videos.